it's your girl Kamari and welcome back to my channel. Woo! I'm so happy that you're here. Today we have a maintenance vlog. I haven't done a maintenance vlog in like how freaking long, but it's just me doing all my maintenance, so I'm really excited for you guys to spend a day with me basically inside the house. We're gonna dye my hair, we're gonna do a retwist, we're gonna get this face and this skin glowing, we're gonna get my nails done and everything too because I have these sick press-ons that I want to put on. And we're just gonna feel like a girly girl. Like, I decided that all 2024 I really want to feel like my most feminine, my most soft girl energy possible, because that's really who I am.
In the mirror I'm doing my dance, ain't packing out nobody's pants. He a rapper but don't got a chance. Stuck in my waist so I'm rubbing my bands. Like a million views in a day. There's so many ways to get.
Okay guys, so as you guys know, I always use this color every single time I dye my hair, this specific pink, and it's already open. I'm really excited. And this dye like smells good too, which is why I really fuck with them. And you guys, I have way less hair now to dye because of my undercut that needs to be trimmed. And I want to I want to bleach it and like get like a really cool style on it. I've learned the hard way about dyeing my hair without. Haven't we all though? Like, haven't we all? Like, all of our like dyeing hair babes. Like, I was just with talking to a coworker the other day who just dyed their hair purple, and they were showing me their thumbs because their thumbs were purple. I thought it was mad funny. You know what I mean? Because that's how us dye girlies are. Oh, I need ponytail holders. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. And I divided my hair in sections. Not well, but I'm just going to start from the ends and go up from there. And then it's just leave it on for 30 minutes. Cue time lapse. In every single season, too, Daphne's behind has like 2 love interests at once. I can't with this girl. I can't. Every season I'm like, girl, please, he's trash. Like, he's garbage. I know how this is gonna end. And she's just like, I'm in love with him even though I know he's like a criminal. And what's interesting too is that the very beginning, like, they always hate whatever their love interest is gonna be. They always hate them. They're like, this is my mortal enemy. Hate this guy for life. And then like 5 episodes later, because every episode's like an hour long, so there's always a lot of time for him to be a good guy for 2 seconds, and they're like, oh my god, him forever. And I'm like, what is this show? What are we doing? Like, can we just be so for real right now? But like, they all date each other's exes. It's like nuts. I don't know about y'all, but I've never had somebody who's walking really, you have every right to hate me. Okay, if you know that, get the fuck out of my face. But it is a good show regardless. Like, it is a really, because I mean, hey, I'm still watching. I'm on season 5 right now. Okay guys, I'm back and this is my hair fully dyed. Oh, don't look at the undercut. Don't look at her. She's not managed. So I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes, and honestly, I'm not gonna dye my eyebrows. I usually do dye my eyebrows every time I dye my hair, but since I'm not even doing the whole bleaching process of doing my roots and everything like that, I'm just gonna keep my eyebrows black. This is gonna be a trip because I have no brown or black eyebrow pencils because they've been blonde and pink for literally the last like year. So, cause dang, I gotta start doing my eyebrows again and like really doing my eyebrows again. Okay, when the deep conditioner is in, we'll do skincare, then we'll start the retwist. Yeah, we'll go from there. Period. See you soon. Okay, I'm out of the shower and now it's time to do my skincare. If you're like me, I wash my face in the shower. Like, I take my cleanser to the shower with me and I wash my face like once everything else is done. So we're just gonna hop straight into what I'm using for skincare right now, what I'm like absolutely kind of in love with. And also, like, my skincare is very minimal. Like, I have very sensitive skin, so I don't like to do too much like at all. Like a bunch of steps is like not me. I'm like not that girl. But doing a couple things that's just nice and like hydrating for my skin, like whatever my skin needs that day is what I'm gonna give it. Like, if my nose is crazy oily, we'll focus on that for the day. But honestly, she's been really normal lately, like just eating down. I'm not even gonna lie, like, you know what I'm saying? My skin be eating down. This is the only thing that's like new on my skin is this, and honestly, I don't even know what the hell it is. Scar and pimple at the same time, maybe. Before we get into the skincare though, I'm gonna shave my upper lip. Everybody grows hair on their upper lip. It is what it is. I ain't embarrassed of it. But anything else, any hair growth anywhere else, I typically whack. But I don't know about, like, when it comes to my upper lip, I just feel like waxing is so unnecessary. Threading it was fine, but that shit is just ridiculously painful when shaving it is just so easy. Focus! Like, I should not have to bring her that close for you all to see her. But this is really nice. I got this gifted from Aviva a very long time ago, but I really I really like it. And then after I do like shaving on my face and get her done, I go in with my toner. I'm gonna use two toners today. First, I'm gonna go in with, actually, should I go in with this one first? Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Dark Spot toner from Pharmacy. This little mini I got. So I've been using this little mini from Pharmacy that I got from a vendor doing my job or whatever. And I really like it. It's a really good toner. I'm not out of the sample yet. Once I'm out of it, I'm definitely investing in the full big size bottle because I really love the way this feels. Like, it's super duper nice. And I definitely could say it makes a big difference in my skin. Like, so then after the first toner, I just wait for that to dry a little bit. How you doing, girl? What's up? How you doing, world? Let me put some music on. This song has been on steady repeat for me. I don't know, the vibes is just immaculate. So then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Skin Hydrating Fat Water Toner. I really like this one. My skin's like on its dry days. Weirdly enough, that first toner is a little tacky today. I don't know why, but I think it's because my skin just like really dry right now. And the cleanser I used in the shower was a sample from Ulla Henriksen that I got. But I'm definitely interested in trying another cleanser. If you guys know one, let me know. I might even try Pharmacy's, actually. I forgot my nuggets in the oven. So I like my nuggets basically like burnt because I feel like the freezer makes them like soggy. So I like getting them really crispy. Let me know if you're the same in the comments below. So the reason why this clip looks different from the rest when I'm trying to show off the Kiehl's serum that I'm absolutely obsessed with is the fact that I put it in slow-mo by accident. Somehow in the midst of me filming that nugget video, I turned my camera into slow-mo mode. Like, please. So literally the entirety of the rest of this video is going to be filmed in slow-mo. So I'm just going to do a voiceover and explain what's going on. I got hungry, so of course I started dipping into my nuggets and really enjoying them because I made them crispy and forgot them in the oven. But I'm late. I'm having a good time. And then I also got to show you guys the nails that I put on for this video. And I didn't want to put them on before my retwist because then I wouldn't be able to function. Like, girl, these nails are actually really lengthy. And they're very pretty. The design was eating down. I absolutely love them. That's what I was telling you guys when I was talking, not knowing this was in slow-mo. But I basically just wanted to let you guys see the design, how cute they are, and all the supplies they gave me as well because I thought it was super dope. They even put stickies in there. Then I finally put on the moisturizer that I was showing you guys before. And this is the moisturizer from Pharmacy. It's like a honey moisturizer, and I really like it. It adds a very nice glow to my skin, and I think it's very dope. After my skincare was done, I was like, okay, it's time to take down this hair and get started on my retwist. And honestly, I had to stop and admire the color because it just looks so good. Like, a refresh hair dye day is just so necessary for anybody who dyes their hair regularly. You know that this feeling feels amazing when your hair color just comes out perfectly. I don't know what that is in my hair, but I guess I had to take it out. And look at me feel myself. Yeah, you should. Go queen, go queen. Now, I ranted a little bit about the show Switched at Birth, and while I was doing my retwist, I started watching it again, and honestly, I was just shook the entire time. Once I finished my retwist, it was time for nails, and I'm so excited to get these press-ons on because look at how lengthy these, like, I was so shocked. I had no idea they were going to be this long, okay? They were giving lengthy, and I had no idea, but the designs were so dope. I was like, you know what? I might as well put them on fully, and you can get these on my TikTok shop as well if you guys want to check anything out. Like, I bought these nails, and actually they came out really good. I wish I didn't buy them so long, but next time I'm gonna get them shorter because this style was just so dope, and I loved how they came out. And y'all, some tea is the fact that I couldn't get these nails off after I put them on. I could not get them off. I tried to take them off that same night because I had worked the next day, and they were so much longer than I thought they were gonna be. And girl, I couldn't get them off. I had to go to work with these on my nails, and it was so crazy. I couldn't pick up anything. I'm definitely gonna repurchase them just shorter and definitely get them with another style too because I love the designs, and they lasted a really long time, and they are strong too. Thank you so much for watching this video and staying to the end of my maintenance vlog. I love you guys so much. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.